In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Yahoo email password in 2025 with a simple step-by-step guide. This tutorial will help you navigate through Yahoo's current interface to securely change your password, ensuring your account remains protected and easily accessible. Let's get started. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Yahoo's main web page. You can do this by simply typing Yahoo into your search bar and selecting the official website, which is usually the first result that appears. Once you're on the Yahoo homepage, look for the familiar Yahoo logo, and here you'll also see links to various Yahoo services like Mail, Weather, Search, and News. This is where you'll initiate the password change process. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here you'll likely see an icon or a letter, which serves as your profile or account avatar. Go ahead and click on this. This action will bring down a small drop-down menu. This menu offers you quick access to different account-related settings. Among these, you're looking for an option that says Manage Your Account. Clicking this will take you to your account settings page. Once you're on the Manage Your Account page, you'll see a variety of options related to your Yahoo account. This page is designed to help you control your account details, privacy settings, and more. But for our purpose today, you need to look for the option that says Change Password. This is typically located in the Security section, which might require you to scroll down slightly depending on your screen size or the current layout of Yahoo's interface. After clicking Change Password, you'll be brought to a security page where you may need to verify your identity depending on Yahoo's current security protocols. They might send a verification code to your recovery email or phone number, so make sure you have access to these. Once you've successfully verified your identity, Yahoo will prompt you to enter a new password of your choice. Remember, when creating your new password, you should aim for something that is both strong and memorable. This can be achieved by combining letters, numbers, and special characters, ensuring it's hard for others to guess while still being something you can easily remember. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, your password change will be complete. You can now return to the Yahoo homepage and log in using your new credentials. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your Yahoo email password. That's all for today's tutorial. Ensure your password is stored securely and remember to update it regularly to maintain the security of your online accounts. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tutorials.